How to change Instagram username on PC. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all go ahead and open up your preferred browser in your PC. And once you do that, in the search bar search for instagram.com. Now once you search for it, you'll have to make sure that you're logged into your Instagram account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on more at the bottom left corner. Now from here tap on settings. Now once you are inside settings, simply go ahead and click on personal details. Now from here go ahead and choose the Instagram account. Now once you land in this interface, tap on username. And then in this page go ahead and change your username. And once done, simply tap on done. And just like so, you'll then be able to change your username on Instagram on PC. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.